Need a seat for many years of safe car travel? Choose MyWay, a reversible child safety seat. In terms of safety, the seat complies with the European safety standard, and it has been positively crash tested by the renowned TAS International Institute. Let's look at the security solutions used on the MyWay. The shell is injection molded and reinforced with extra layers for better absorption of impact force. High covers on the sides protect the head and neck of the child, while the Side Protect system absorbs energy in the event of a side impact. The seat also features the H-Guard system, which is an additional headrest reinforcement for better head protection. The MyWay is fitted with indicators for the top tether and the ISOfix system. When the indicators turn green, they show that the seat has been installed correctly. Importantly, the MyWay allows you to carry your children in the safest possible rearward-facing position until they reach 18 kilograms. Thanks to the inserts, travelling is comfortable and safe. You can freely remove or add them depending on the size of your child. The MyWay is fastened with the car seat belt. The convenient belt guides ensure the proper installation. With the Easy Grow system, the headrest and inner straps can be adjusted with one hand. When the child grows, you don't need to reposition the straps. The magnets embedded in the side guards allow you to keep the shoulder straps to the side and comfortably place your child in the seat. The buckles come together for easier fastening, and the green indicator shows that they've been properly fastened. The MyWay features a 5-point harness. It is fitted with a crotch cover and soft pads covered with a non-slip layer. We recommend that children in the first group ride backwards as long as possible, but MyWay also permits forward-facing travel. In this case, the seat should be set in positions 1 to 3. The setting is changed with one hand. When children grow, they travel forward-facing. Tuck away the harness in a compartment located at the back of the seat. Before the journey, adjust the height of the headrest. Fasten the child with a 3-point car seat belt. Guide it through the guides at the headrest and under the armrests. The seat is soft and wide, so the journey will be nice and comfortable. The upholstery can be removed and machine washed. That's all about MyWay. We wish you many years of safe travel.